Okay, today we'll be talking about internships. Okay, so we start off with Benjin.
Yeah, hi, I'm Benjin. I'm a EEE student, year 3.
My name is Sun. I'm a EEE student, year 4.
I'm Sandra. I'm from IEM, Information Engineering and Media, year 4.
Hi, I'm Nas. I'm an EEE year 4. So shall we talk about our internships? Okay, Benjin, can you share with us more about your internships? What do you do and what company do you work at?
Okay, I work at Megawatts. So basically what I do there is I design electrical circuit for solar panels. So what I did was actually one of my projects that I did, I had to design electrical circuit from scratch. So I have to learn everything. I learned like all the safety devices that have to be inside. Because when we design for, let's say for this project that I designed right, is for a bungalow. Okay, so what we do is for houses in Singapore, you have to have a certain standard to follow. Like let's say what kind of protection device that you need in case of lightning or in case of black flow electricity or all those stuff. So what I did was I designed the circuit from scratch at AutoCAD. So after I designed, I managed to go through the next process of purchasing the equipment, like I need to buy solar panels, what kind of device that I need, all those stuff. So after I designed it, right, I have to go to the site. So when I went to the site, right, I have to survey the site, then I see how do I plan the cabling, where do I put the equipment and all those stuff. So that means I managed to focus on this project right from start all the way to finish.
So did you get to see it like actually being installed in the bungalow?
I didn't manage to finish because by the time it was approved and everything, right, I finished my internship.
Oh, that's so sad.
Oh my god, Benji, your internship is almost similar to mine. You know my internship I did at Rolls-Royce. So what I did is my Rolls-Royce internship is in school. In NTU, so it's like more like a corporate lab. And then it's more to R&D. Yeah, so I'll do more like a project based. And then same as you, I also do all of electrical wiring, doing the testing, doing the components. And then from there we will test and then we will see whether whatever that we're testing, whether it satisfies with the results that we get. Yeah. If you ask me why I chose Rolls-Royce, I think because that Rolls-Royce is something is related to aerospace and something of my passion because I love aviation. Then going to Rolls-Royce, I think it helps me to, you know, further my progress into becoming to be in the aerospace industry work. Yeah.
So you work in the aerospace industry, and for me, I work in the land industry.
Okay.
So like you do the air and I do the land.
Oh, okay.
So actually I did my intern at SBS Transit. So I worked at Downtown Line, Blue Line. Any of you take the Blue Line, Downtown Line?
Yeah.
Actually, I stay near one of the downtown lines, King Albert Park.
KFB is actually one of the maintenance office for the power department. Like I was assigned to the power department. So in the power department, my so-called listed work that I was supposed to do is actually to research more about a mineral oil transformer. But actually when I went there, I did more than just the so-called research. Some of the interesting thing I did is actually I followed for their night work. So I got to go down to the stations at night when there's nobody. And then we did a lot of their maintenance things, something like maybe cleaning the panels, that's the most simple ones. But the more interesting one is like we do cable testing. So we have different people at different stations to test whether the connection is good or not. Or like we did a blackout tripping also. Like let's say if something spoils in the station, whether the generator will kick in or not. That's some of the interesting projects that I did with SBS Transit. Actually, I saw your Instagram. You went overseas for internship.
Oh yeah, yes. So I went for this program. It's called Work and Study China. Yeah, so it's very different from the three of you. During my internship, I went overseas to China, Shanghai, and I interned at PayPal. Why did I choose to go for this program? It's because not only can I get to understand and experience how is it like to work overseas, I also get to explore the country as well and also meet more friends.
Is it you can only go to China?
Okay, so yes, for work and study, we only go to China. There's 3 different cities that you can choose from. Shanghai, Beijing and Suzhou. But there's also another program which allows you to go overseas besides China. Like there's this program called Overseas Entrepreneurship Program, OEP, in which actually one of my friends is over there now. She's in San Francisco, and previously I've another friend that went to Germany as well. Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
How do you know about this thing, like this internship thing?
Okay,
like,
yeah.
Do you like, is it a school thing or is it you self-source over to the company?
Okay, yeah. So for work and study, it's a school program. So there's actually a lot of there's actually publicity for this program around in school. So I actually saw it and then like I asked my friends if they're interested to go with me, and we just signed up. So actually the process is very simple. There's a list of companies and their job descriptions for you to choose from, and I just chose something that I like and is similar to my course of study. Yeah, that's why I chose to go for Shanghai PayPal.
Okay, I did not know that because for me, my internship, I have to self-source it. So like for what I did, it's like I will email the Rolls-Royce, the HR, and then from there I will just wait for a few weeks, and then from there they will get back to me, and that's how I get my internship. Is it same for you, Benjin and so on?
Oh, no, actually for me, I follow the school's portal. Actually, the school has a list of companies that we can apply for. So like what I did was, I just went to the portal. I just narrowed it down to my specialization. Like I want to specialize in power, so I just chose like the companies that are only doing power related stuff. So from there, I just select. I read through the description. Then there was this one, the company that I interned at Megawatts, right? The description was 80% site work and 20% office job. So I'm more of a hands-on kind of person. So I applied for that job and I got it straight away.
So it's a very easy process.
Yes, very simple. And then they called me for interview. Then I just went for interview, learn about the job nature, and I find that it's very similar to what I want to do.
For me, it's actually different from all of you. Like, I'm actually under a scholarship that is, it's called Public Transport Scholarship. It's between LTA and SBS Transit. So, as part of the scholarship term and conditions, I'm actually required to go back and do my internship, my 6 months compulsory internship in SBS. Then was it actually difficult for you to like accommodate? Because you're in China, right? It's like not in Singapore after all. Is it very difficult?
Probably the most difficult thing about going to China is the language. So like everything is in Chinese. Like we have to converse in Chinese as well. Yeah, but thankfully for me, like because I'm working in PayPal, is a global company, so we still speak in English over there. Yeah, correct. In fact, the IEM curriculum has actually prepared me very well for my internship. Yeah, so IEM prepares me in terms of like technical skills, like the different languages that we learn, for example, HTML, CSS, and Java. Yeah, while the EEE curriculum actually provides me by giving me the opportunity to learn soft skills. So like there are leadership positions and like opportunities that I get, which actually help me in like my form of communication and like, expressing myself while I'm in China. It's actually very easy for me to adapt while I'm there.
That's very interesting, Sandra. Okay, speaking of which, does you all have any interesting experience or project you want to share with us during your internship?
Actually, I have one. Actually, I had this project that I had to wake up early in the morning for every day. For I think about 3 weeks, I went to a jetty, take a boat off the coast of Pulau Ubin. Yeah, so I went to a floating barge to install a solar panel over there. Yeah.
Floating barge is?
So basically, a floating barge is like a platform, like a platform whereby they can do anything on it. So, but for this case, it's actually a fish farm. Yeah. So I get to see stuff that normally people don't get to experience lah.
So we got the air, we got the land, now we got the sea.
Okay, so I guess before we conclude this video, I guess maybe each one of us can share a takeaway that maybe we can give from our experience that we have from our internship.
Actually, from my experience with my company, taught me to think critically and always to plan for the worst yet be as efficient as possible.
Actually, for me, I think that when I went for internship, I think that the so-called skills that the companies require might be different from what you actually learn in school. So through internships, I realized that it's actually quite important to manage your expectations as to what the companies actually require and what you actually learn. So by going for more internships, you can start working on the skills that you actually need in work back when you still have the luxury to do so during your school time. So actually, I recommend that if you guys can, you should go for as many internships as possible. Besides the compulsory 6 months internship, there's also summer internships as well that you can actually apply for, and they are non-credit bearing, which means that you don't need to go through the troublesome process of like getting the school's approval before you go for an internship.
For me, one key takeaway is that I gained further insights of like the industry. Yeah, so I'm going towards the software engineering industry, and like, I really learned a lot. And through internship, I guess you really get to have a feel of what the company does and what you do behind this job. Yeah.
And to add on with Suan, I feel that because the school only teaches us the fundamentals, basics, and then from there, when we go to the working experience, where we actually learn more things, and we also have to learn how to teamwork with other people, so our colleagues from different ethnics, different race and religions, all that. Yeah. I guess that's the end of our sharing session. And I really hope that you guys have the insight of the opportunities that EEE have for you guys. So,
see you, EEE!
And I am!